Hello po, I'm Kay Kurosawa, playing the role of Faye po sa Zoomer Season 2.
Hello everyone, I'm Crystal Ball and I play the role of Tanya in Zoomer Season 2.
Hi po, I'm Hadia Santos and I play the role of Juniper.
I learned that love can come in many types of way and it can come in all genders talaga. Love doesn't choose. If love is there, then it will present itself to you. So for me lang, I just think yun lang, you just accept the love na you think which is right for you.
For me naman, it all leads to love talaga eh. So, love is love. Kapag naramdaman naman yun eh, regardless of gender, gender, colors, or kung ano man, it's love eh. So, yeah.
Portraying a queer character po, mas nabigyan po ako ng better understanding ng struggles na, especially since most of the people in the LGBT community still face discrimination and hate crimes. Even if seemingly sa Philippines tanggap na ng mga tao yung
People na hindi pa rin open.
yes, especially the older generation. So I'm happy na merong Zoomers na napapalabas sa Free TV to
Napapakita yung gano'n ng mga taong at least in a way, napapakita sa Zoomers na express yung ganong type of love para sa mga taong hindi pa ready or natatakot pa.
and also for the parents ng those who have children who are part of the LGBT community, mas maiintindihan nila din yung mga anak nila na dapat sila yung strongest ally nila. Nung nag-audition po kami, ang pinaka naging note sa akin nila Direk Lauren is kulang daw ako sa sensuality. So first of all, I really worked on learning how to make lande. Yeah, kasi I'm naturally very awkward and shy, and pag may gusto akong tao, I can't even look them in the eye. So for this role, kailangan opposite kasi Faye is very forward, very, she's sure of herself but not quite. Pero ayun nga. And also, naging malaking tulong rin yung pagkakaroon ko ng friends na who are queer. So, ayun.
For me naman, I think that question is mas para sa dalawa yun eh. Kasi season 1 pa lang binild na talaga silang dalawa. But, since na-add ako sa Love Triangle, I think for me naman yung preparation, it's more of parang ang note sa amin is maging close kami dalawa ni Crystal. Kasi bestie-bestie talaga kami here eh. And kanina naman sa preview, parang yun nga, bestie yung tawagan. Parang best friends talaga. Parang in the long run na lang siguro si Juniper gusto niya more than that. So ayun, abangan na lang natin kung paano ba nangyari yun.
Ano po ulit yung question?
Preparation.
Preparation. Yung preparation for me naman, I watched some GL series or just some romance films lang in general. Kasi, you just see how the nuances are between the two characters. Tapos, I used that when I was acting in each scene with Tanya, with Faye and Juniper. Pero syempre, what you call it, of course, basic ko ang tingin sa kanya. So, I have to, parang may slight nuances na, she's my friend, pero, I don't know, may feelings ba si Tanya kay Juniper or is she still with Faye ba? So, panoorin nyo lang yung Zoomers Season 2.
Also, to add, si Direk Kevin, before, no on the way kami sa Zambales, nag-send siya ng parang from Love Bites. Kasi may GL din from Love Bites, right? Sabi niya, panoorin niyo tong tatlo. Sinad niya sa aming tatlo. Then, dun sa dalawang characters, may aaralin kami na isa dun na inassign sa amin ni Direk Kevin. Aralin yung nuances and sinabi niya na ganun yung gusto kong makita sa inyo kapag nag-shoot na tayo ng mga scenes.
Ayun, all in all po, naging malaking help rin po sa pag-build ng chemistry namin is yung closeness po namin talaga. I mean, I didn't have much with her character yet. Pero with Crystal kasi we've been friends for quite a long time. So, we're very comfortable with each other. We're very collaborative sa kung anong gusto naming mayari sa scene. And also, yung natural fondness mo talaga for a person, napakita ko siya through my character, Faye.
Ano lang po, we're so grateful talaga na we have such a big fan. For me naman, it's very big kasi it's my first ever series and I think na every post you make, lahat ng support na binigay niyo sa amin, like super appreciate ko talaga. And yun lang, I love you all so much. 2Ks, K-Stel, and especially our love triangle, Zumba Dings!
Yeah, for me, super thankful po ako sa mga fans ko cause kahit before pa na hindi pa ako nag-artista, meron na talagang mga nagsusupport sa akin because fans din sila ni Kuya. So, I'm very grateful po ako sa kanila kasi may mga sumusupport po sa akin. And ginagawa ko po talaga yung best ko and lalo na dito sa season na to para sa kanila. Sorry.
Ayun, very, very, very thankful. As in, parang yung supporters namin naging main characters of my life talaga. Kasi in this industry, a lot of things can really bring you down. Madaming self-doubt yan. Madaming times na mapapaisip ka na lang minsan na parang, is this right for me? Pero yung supporters, kahit isang tweet lang makita ko sa Twitter, isang edit, isang post, isang share sa story, isang message, talagang they keep me going. Not just with this work but also with my life. So parang very, very, I don't even want to call them fans but I consider them as friends. Very, very close to my heart talaga. K-Cats, Takuris, 2Ks, thank you so much talaga. And overwhelming. I'll never ever forget all the love and support that you've been giving us. And thank you for staying. And ayan, I'll always love you guys. Thank you. We'll always love you.